Have you ever wondered how a city can preserve its timeless heritage while embracing a sustainable future? Welcome to Udonthani, a city where Thai Chinese culture, nature, and innovation come together in harmony. Here the past, present, and future unite to shine on the global stage. In Udonthani by Nong Bua Lake stands the Thai Chinese Cultural Center. It is a place of friendship and shared history. Founded in 1945, it blends traditional Chinese architecture with the peaceful garden of 1,000 years. You can see Chinese-style buildings and worship at 6 holy sites, and walk across the Nine-Turn Bridge to ask for health, wealth, and good luck. Every year, the center comes alive during the Tung Si Mueang Festival with the spectacular 99 meters Golden Dragon Parade and lively lion dances. Have you ever imagined a place where people, water, and plants come together to shape a sustainable future? It's here, Udonthani is ready to welcome the world again to host the International Horticultural Expo 2026. Under the theme Diversity of Life, Connecting People, Water, and Plants for Sustainable Living. The expo will run from the 1st November 2026 to the 14th March 2027 at Nong Dae Wetlands. It's the first time in the world that such an event is held in the wetland ecosystem. You will explore 6 amazing zones, discover innovations in agriculture, and connect with opportunities across the greater Mekong sub-region. This is where nature, culture, and sustainable living unite, offering an experience you won't forget. In the near future, Udonthani will be even more connected to the world. With the northeastern high-speed rail linking Bangkok to Nong Khai, and further to Vientiane and Kunming. This fast and convenient travel will make Udonthani a true hub of tourism, culture, and education in the region. From the rich traditions of the Thai Chinese Cultural Center to the innovative displays of the Horticultural Expo 2026, Udonthani is where heritage meets sustainability. Explore the peaceful garden, colorful festivals, and the vibrant wetland ecosystem, and see how culture and nature thrive together. Discover Udonthani, where Thai Chinese heritage, natural beauty, and forward-looking innovation come together at the International Horticultural Expo 2026, Nong Dae Wetlands. Every moment invites you to celebrate culture and sustainability. Experience it all in Udonthani, a journey you'll never forget.